Yeah, we are live.
Hi there everyone, Sharon and Dev from TACLE coming to you with a very casual Saturday live. We're going to have a quick chat to you about a few things that are going on, life here in Perth, and showing you some of the amazing sights here. We're coming from Kings Park today, which is an amazing place here in Perth. There's quite a few people around at the moment. It's a popular destination here in Perth, both on the weekends and during the week, where individuals and families come along just to get out and get some fresh air, to meet up with other family and friends, picnics, barbecues, exercise.
Very much. And I think we want to come to you every Saturday, and we want to show around house life in Australia. And these are very casual lives. We'll not be talking a lot of information on how we can help you study in Australia or come to or migrate to Australia, but we will talk more casual stuff like house life, what are the things to see when there you are in Perth. And because we are a popular destination called Kings Park, we'll just show you around a bit. Let me turn the camera on the other side, just a second. Yeah, so you could see families have come out to enjoy and relax on a Saturday afternoon. This is the memorial.
The memorial here in Kings Park, it's memorialising Anzacs and Anzac Day. So today is actually Anzac Day. So it's a day, it's a very important day in Australian history, Australian and New Zealand history. To be fair, it commemorates essentially all men and women who have been in service to their countries, past and present. But Anzac Day actually signifies one of the greatest casualties of war in Australian and New Zealand history. You guys may have heard of Gallipoli in Turkey. That's where we lost many lives in the First World War. So today, Anzac Day, is where we commemorate all those men and women lost in service, but also those men and women who are currently in service, not just to Australia and New Zealand, but to all countries around the world. So the memorial that you can see in the background there, that's the memorial here in Kings Park that celebrates those people. You may have seen in the post that we put on the page a little bit earlier, the memorial flame, the remembrance flame that is burning and lit today specifically for Anzac Day. Anzac Day here in Australia is very, very different to what we've had in the past. Because of the COVID-19 situation, we're not able to come and all gather around the memorial as we would have done in previous days.
And it was done live for most of the locations here.
Yeah, so a lot of states did a live feed from specific locations with an Anzac Day service. Normally though, people would go to specific points around their city to participate in that service.
And there would be a lot of people coming in on the Anzac Day here in the morning around 6.
6 o'clock, the dawn service we call it. We normally have an Anzac Day parade or a march down St George's Terrace here in Perth. Unfortunately we're not able to do that.
COVID-19.
Because of COVID-19, but Australia has done an amazing thing where people have been asked to step out onto their driveway at 6 o'clock this morning
with candles,
and listen to a live feed on one of the radio stations. Again, just participating in a remembrance, although a little bit differently because of the current situation.
Lovely. And there's another important day. It's a Ramadan month. So Mubarak to everybody, friends across the subcontinent and across the world who are considering this month as a holy month and praying. And hope you are staying safe and staying home and praying and being more holy.
And it's a day, I believe, for bonding and connecting with people, so it comes very timely, doesn't it?
Yeah, very timely, yes, very much, because you are staying home, you can bond more, and then you have the time to remember and worship God.
Absolutely.
Lovely. And we would want to just show you around Kings Park, just a second. So that was the memorial, and if I'll just take it around, you would see the Swan River. The Swan River is a lovely river for here in Perth, and you could see a lovely space.
And that's South Perth there, a lovely destination for living, and there's some amazing cafes and restaurants in South Perth there.
Yeah.
One of my favourite restaurants.
Lovely. Yes. And people are coming in, we are people are managing social distancing, but they are coming out and for a walk in the afternoon, and it's very much acceptable to come in pairs. People are coming in pairs, so they can go and walk, and family can come, and more than 2 people can come around and have a walk.
Definitely, but we still need to maintain our distance from other people. But it's an absolutely beautiful spot here, and you find people here, as I said, during the week as well as on weekends. A lot of people come. We've got some amazing gardens here as well, where people enjoy walking, exercising. People just come and enjoy the fresh air and the scenery and connecting with each other. It's one of my favourite spots in Perth.
And also all the students who are here in Australia, just a quick good news. Government organizations across the states are helping students who are in dire need. Study Perth and Study Queensland have opened doors for students who are in emergency requirement for food, for shelter, and any mental health support. You could call them up, and you can go onto their website and register yourself. They would approach you, and because at this time everybody needs support, and people who are away from the family and living in Australia alone, they need some kind of support, and it's very good on the government. They are supporting families.
Yeah, look, it's an amazing initiative, and I think it's very important, and keeping in line with what our government keeps saying about we support everybody here, I think that's an amazing initiative. So yeah, as Dev said, get on to Study Perth or Study Queensland if you're in need.
Lovely.
As Dev mentioned, we will be coming to you every Saturday, showing you some amazing spots here in Perth and what life is like here in Perth.
Lovely. And so we'll see you next week.
We will, indeed. So until next week, if you've got any questions or comments, feel free to post them on the video at the end here, or you can inbox us on the TACLE page on Facebook. You can connect with us on TikTok, LinkedIn, or through our website, which is www.tacle.com.au. And TACLE is TACLE, so that's www.tacle.com.au.
Thank you.
Bye for now. See you next week. Stay safe, everyone.